To add gift card to Cash App account. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So simply navigate first into our Cash App over here, and then you're going to click on the home page. In the home page, click on the add money option. Then you're going to select how much you want to add. Now this of course depends on how much your gift card will cost. And after that, simply click on continue. You will then be prompted to add a bank using your credit card. Now simply enter the same information of your gift card using the debit card number, the year, the 3-digit CVV, and so on and so forth. Then click on link card. After that, it should then be able to recognize your gift card and be able to cash in or deposit the money from your gift card into your Cash App. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.